in one moment? Or?
We did 2017 was as a result thereof pretty stressful the entire year. Then we were lucky that we started to sell printers. Of course, we had to learn a lot of new things because instead of only printing and design and engineering a building, a lot of new activities. Yeah, we could build a printer that we use ourselves. But now we had to develop a printer with manuals, with training, making sure that we could connect it so that we could log in from a distance and control it for servers and support. So we needed to step up our game actually. That is something we had to do while we, with another team, were printing in Milan. So we created two streams, the printers and building, within the company. Although we had from the last year, 2017, still the bad situation for a construction company that was not paying. Then eventually the CyBe project, we were there, but they reorganized within that department, which means they said, okay, get rid of all your equipment, clean it up, and we had to negotiate that we would build it again together with our partner, in this case CCC, and we pay up front. We were lucky with CCC as a partner in this project to do this. Then eventually in September we finished that project, printing it in 5 days. It's actually here, this one. Printing this in 5 days in September. When we flew back, then actually our printer would be also in that airplane, being transported back, because we had to print in December 2019 the Vergaderfabriek, the building that we've built as a general contractor here in the Netherlands in Apeldoorn. But then we got a phone call from the Ministry of Housing that like, yeah, in November we do a big inauguration. We have capture printer here in Saudi Arabia. So I could call everyone like, yeah, we need to cancel some projects because yeah, our technology is still there. That all until the beginning of 2019 had a bad impact on our company or from a financial perspective, and that means that from after 2019 we had to overcome that. So make sure that by the end of 2019 we run break even. We've been lucky that we focused a lot of time on sales, new deals, new partnerships. As a result thereof, we had a pretty good order portfolio the beginning of 2020, and then COVID came in.
You mentioned your printer was stuck in Saudi. You were talking really fast though. Was that because of shipping delays or they were holding it hostage?
No, not hostage. They didn't communicate it with us that it was their idea to also have an inauguration in November, December, and we were back and we learned about that, and then indeed at customs the printer could not leave
because they wanted it on display.
They wanted it on display.